Hello everyone, today let's make some creamy but with lower calories chicken penne rigato pasta with broccoli for dinner. This healthy meal will feed 4 people for a low cost. Let's do it. First thing first, boil a large water pot to cook our pasta according to package instruction, typically 10 minutes. Now we drop 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a large pan, turn on medium-high heat. Oops, dice 1 medium onion. To the pan and stir occasionally after that. We're gonna chop 12 ounces of broccoli. Broccoli is one of the healthiest vegetables. Just chop them into bite-sized pieces. Set aside for now. Now is the perfect time to add pasta to the boiling water. I typically season it with half tablespoon of kosher salt. We need 10 ounces of penne rigato pasta for this recipe. Give it a stir to prevent sticking. Don't forget stirring our onion occasionally. Now we mince 3 cloves of garlic. Give it a quick stir, we then add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Quick stir again, reduce heat to medium, then add in our broccoli. Stir for about 15 seconds, then add in 1/3 cup of heavy cream and 2 cups of 2% milk. Now we just stir occasionally. In the meantime, slice chicken into thin slices. We need 10 ounces or 1½ chicken breast. Stir occasionally until chicken all turn white. We then add in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1/3 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black ground pepper. Taste and adjust seasoning if needed. Stir occasionally, reduce heat if necessary. We don't want the sauce to get too dry when the pasta is done cooking. Pasta going in. Mix everything together and that is it. Man, it looks so good. Yes, of course. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the description for written recipe. Just click on more below the title. I hope you enjoyed the video and give this recipe a try. Let me know where you're from in the comments so I can say hi to you personally. Please hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you again. You have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye for now.